Move around, Dora. Work right. Let's go. Don't play, Dora. You gotta go. This is working out. This isn't playing. Get out of the way. Get out of the corner, Dora. Get out of that corner. Get out of that corner. Get out of that corner. Move around him. There you go. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of that corner. Keep your guards up.
Guards up. Guards up.
Block him, Dora. Block and move, Dora. Block and move. Don't cover up. Block and move. Block and move, Dora. Block and move. There you go. Don't hold on to the ropes. You can't hold on to the ropes. Oh, you can't do that, Kane. Come on now. Yeah, but you can't take her down like that. You can't grab her legs and take her down on purpose. Come on, Dora, hit hard. There you go, hit hard. Don't... Hit him, Dora, light him up. Light him up. Keep hitting him harder. If you can kick him in his head, kick him in the head. Hit his face. He's leaving it open. Hit that ugly mug. There you go. Do it again. There you go. Time.
You're gonna finish the round, right?
With the knockdown?
Yeah, just hold it in. Just hold it down.
Try that with me, Cody.
That's only the first round, bro. What are you doing?
She's fine. That's cool.
That's like...